Compute all minor cofactors of A. If A is equal to that matrix 1 3 minus 2 4 minus 5 6 minus 3 5 2. Okay, first of all we have to find minor. Okay, what is a minor? Minor is denoted by Mij. I is called row, J is column. So first of all, what you have to do is, the given matrix is, what is the form? So the given matrix is A11, A12, A13 and A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, so A11 means, so the element in the first row first column. So the element in the first row first column. So A11 means this is the first row first column. So A11 means that is 1 will be the A11. Suppose A32 means third row second column. Here third row and the second column. So third row second column. Up A32 which is equal to, that is 5. So that is of the form. So the given matrix is of the form is A11, A12, so on. So now we have to find minor. So first M11. So the minor of the first element. So first row first column M11. So if you want to find them, so in the place of 1 we have minus 5 6 and 5 2, correct? How can I get this is 1? So M11. So in the minor we have to find the minor of that 1. So 1 is just hide it, hide the column and hide the row. What it be? Minus 5 6 and 5 2, that it be. Okay, and take the determinant. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10, 6 into 5 30, which is equal to minus 40. So same process M12. So M12 means first row second column. So here this is first row, this is second column, first row second column, which will be 3. So we have to find the minor of 3. So minor of 3. 3 means just hide this column and hide this row. So hide this column and hide this row. What it be? 4 6 minus 3 2. So 4 6 minus 3 2, which is equal to 4 2s are 8 minus 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18, minus into minus plus. So which is equal to 26. Same thing 1 3. 1 3 means what? 1 3 means what? First row third column. So first row third column, here the minus 2. So hide this column and this row, we will get 4 minus 5. So this term 4 minus 5 minus 3 5 is equal to, take the determinant. 4 5s are 20, minus into minus plus 5 into 3 15, 20 minus 5 15 5. So next one is M21 is equal to second row and first column. What is second row first column in the given matrix is second row first column. So this is second row first column, which is 4. So hide the first column and hide the first column and the second row. It will be 3 minus 2 5 2. So 3 minus 2 5 2. So M21 means second row first column. So this is second row, this is first column. So second row, first column intersect the point is 4. So we have to find the minor of 4. So just hide this row and this column. So this row, this column, just 3 minus 2, 5, 2 only we have. So 3 minus 2. So 3 into 2, 6, minus into minus plus 5 into 2, 10, which is equal to 16. Okay. Next M22, second row, second column, second row, second column. So intersect is minus 5. So second row and second column, second row add panna we get 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 3, 2. 1 minus 2, minus 3, 2. So 1 2s are 2, minus 2 3s are 6, equal to minus 4. Same thing M23, which is equal to second row, third column. So the intersecting point is 6. Hide this column and this row. So this column, hide this column and this row. So what will be 1 3 minus 3 5. 1 3 minus 3 5. 1 5 are 5, minus into minus plus 3 6 on 9 is equal to 14. So next one is M31. It is third row, first column. Here this is a third row. So this is a third row. Okay, this is a third row, this is the first column. Hide this third row and first column. First column third row idu pannitingna what it will be? First column, third row. 3 minus 2 minus 5 6, that is the value. 3 minus 2 minus 5 6. 3 6 are 18, minus 5 2s are 10, it will be 8. And M32, same thing, third row, second column, intersecting point is 5. So hide this third row and second column. Third row, second column hide panna 1 minus 2 4 6. So second column, third row, 1 minus 2 4 6. 1 minus 2 4 6. 1 6 6, minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8, which is equal to 14. So next one is last M33. So third row, third column. Third row, third column, intersecting is 2. So we have to find the minor of 2. So hide this column, this row, because third row, third column. Hide this, we have 1 3 4 minus 5. 1 3 4 minus 5. 1 5s are minus 5 minus 12, is equal to minus 17. Okay, next we have to find cofactor of given matrix A. So cofactor is generally denoted by Aij. So if you want to find the Aij value, you must have Mij. That is, this is a formula, minus 1 power I plus j Mij. So if you want to find the cofactor of A, you must have minor of A, because Aij, which is equal to minus 1 per I plus j Mij. Okay, Ij. So I is a row, j is column. So first, so A 1 1, that means first row, first column, which is equal to here minus 1. What is the value of I here? 1 plus j value is, what is the value of j is also 1. So 1. So this is I, this is j. just substitute I and j here. So 1 plus 1 into mij, that means I value 1, j value 1. So which is equal to minus 1 whole square. M11 value is minus 40. Already we had minus 40. M11 minus 40. Just apply here minus 40, which is equal to minus square means plus. So it goes just minus 40. This is a cofactor of A11. So what is the first thing is we have to find the cofactor of A. That means Aij, which is equal to, this is a formula. So I means row, j means column. So A11 first row first column. This is formula minus 1. I would value here 1 plus j would value 1 and I would value 1, j value 1. So minus 1 power square M11. Already we had the M11 value here 40 because M means minor. So minus 40, just minus 40. Same thing A12. So formula minus 1 I. What is the value of I? 1 plus what is the value of j? 2 and M. What is the value of I? 1. What is the value of 2? Is equal to minus 1 cube. What is the value of M12? So M12 value is 26. So 26, which is equal to negative power odd number. It will be negative and just 26. Okay. Same thing A13 is equal to minus 1. So A13 A13 is equal to minus I value 1 plus j value 3 and M13. So minus 1 power 4. M13 value is 5. Just apply 5 minus 1 power even part, which will be plus 5. Same thing A21 which is equal to minus 1 power I value here 2 plus j value 1 into M I value 2, j value 1. So minus 1 power 3 into M21. M21 value is 16. So 16, which is equal to negative 16. And A22. So minus 1 power I value 2 plus j value 2 and M I value 2, j value 2. So minus 1 power 4 into M22. M22 value is minus 4. So minus 4. So negative power even, negative is even power. So it will be plus and also here minus 4. So it will be just minus 4. So next A23. So minus 1 I value is 2 plus j value is 3 into M23. So minus 1 power 5 M23. M23 value is 14. So 14 is equal to negative 14. So minus 14. Same thing A31. Here minus 1 I value is 3, j value is 1 and M31. So minus 1 power 4. What is the value of M31? Sorry, M31 is just 8. Okay. So just 8, which is equal to plus 8. How? Because minus power even power. So it will be plus. Next one is A32. Sorry, A32. Minus 1 power I value 3, j value 2 into M I value 3, j value 2. So minus 1 power 5 M32. It will be 4. Sorry, 14 is equal to negative 14 because minus is a power, minus having the odd power. So it will be minus in the 14. And A33 is equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 3. How I get 3 plus 3? I is 3, j is 3. And M33 which is equal to minus 1 power 6. 6 is a even power. So it will be plus M33 value is minus 17. So it becomes minus 17. So this is a minor and cofactor of the given matrix, this one. Okay.